All right, what's up everybody? Real quick, I wanted to bring you inside the 2024 Mustang, and we're gonna scroll through the instrument cluster themes. And because we're Fox Body people, we're gonna show you how easy it is to select the Fox Body cluster theme. So you can either key on or start the car. I finally got away from the annoying da-ding, 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 da-ding. The intro beat is kind of cool. So we'll wait for the infotainment system to load up here. Okay, so get to the menu you need. You'll just need to push the little button here with the Mustang logo, and then you'll go cluster theme. Speaking of the themes, you can match the drive mode, which if you select obviously normal, sport, track, or drag strip, slippery, whatever, the instrument cluster will match it to that particular drive mode. Or, you know, if you wanted to select it yourself, you can come in here and do normal, sport, track, calm, which makes it very minimalistic. But for today, check this out, the Fox Body 1987 to 1993 instrument cluster. Is it 100% accurate? No, I don't think Ford was going for 100% accuracy with this. You know, they just kind of wanted to do a tip of the hat or kind of pay homage to the 87 to 93 Fox Body Mustang with a 87 to 93 Fox Body inspired instrument cluster theme. Definitely looks pretty cool, and I kind of dig it. And just because we're here with you, we'll roll through the other modes too. I'll just work backwards here on the menu. We'll go to calm, and like I said, it's very minimalistic. It gives you RPM, mile per hour, and nothing else. We'll do track. This gives you your RPM, tachometer towards the top, you know, kind of like Ford GT, supercar type stuff. Sport. This separates the speedometer and the RPM tachometer. Your RPM will be over here to your left, and then the speedometer will be to your right. Definitely a sporty theme. Then we'll click over here to normal, and that's just your traditional, you know, kind of circular gauges like you've seen on previous generation Mustangs. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Quick one for you today. Let us know what you think about the instrument cluster themes. Personally, I like Fox Body, but the track theme is also pretty neat. So as always, if you find value in what we do, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like the video. And then until we see you in the next one, for all things S650, keep it right here with Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.